Hey, what's up guys, my name is Andrew and I am from Options Army, and welcome back guys to my channel, and welcome to my latest video update regarding Maximus-Cryptobot, this trading software right here that trades stocks, commodities, indices, as well as cryptocurrencies and traditional currency pairs. So guys, if you're new to my channel, I would highly recommend you to please click on that like button and subscribe button so that you will be up to date with all my upcoming news video releases. So guys, in this video I want to go to the few things and features that are offered by the Maximus-Cryptobot dashboard, but not many people know about, and not many people actually using these features, you know. And these features, guys, will help you generate, you know, consistent income from home. These features will help you generate perhaps higher amount of accurate signal trades, you know, on your broker. So as you know guys, Maximus-Cryptobot is this trading software right here, and all you have to do in order to profit, simply log in. Here you choose your investment per trade, you know, which could be from, I think, from $10, you know, up to whichever amount you want to trade with. Again, if you are just starting off, guys, if you are new with trading and you are willing to start generating profits from Maximus-Cryptobot, it's recommended that you start with the minimum. And the minimum, guys, it will depend on your assigned broker. So for example, I think my broker's minimum is, I think, $20 or $25 per trade. So I would simply here click on 20, and here I would click on trade. Okay, and as you can see, the action is completed, and this means that this trade automatically is being placed on my broker's platform. But again, guys, there are a high number of signals being provided by the Maximus-Cryptobot. So, and this is perfect for those who are willing to trade, you know, again, if you like to trade stocks, currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or indices, you know, the sky is the limit, guys. Really, the sky is the limit, because Maximus-Cryptobot is refreshing, you know, it's providing new signals during the day. And as you know, recommended trading hours still apply is 9 AM, 7 PM GMT time. So it's really important for you guys to remember that recommended trading hours are 9 AM, 7 PM GMT time, and also make sure that you place only a minimum amount, you know, required by your broker. So yeah, so far, what is it? So far we have placed the USD ZAR place. You see, as you can see, this trade is automatically placed on my broker's platform, you know. But there's a question, guys, you know, which are the best signals to choose from? Because you know, there are a high number of signals, and not all of the signals will be correct 100% of the time. There is no software, and there is no automated or signal software in the whole world that can predict the markets 100% accurately of the time, you know. And there is also no human being in the whole world that could predict the markets 100% with 100% accuracy. That's why we need to also take a look at the fundamentals and also the technical analysis a little bit in order to in order to maximize our profits. Simple as it is, guys. In order to maximize profits, we need to take a look at the fundamentals a little bit and the technical analysis a little bit, because there are no huge analysis required, you know, because these signals are provided by the Maximus-Cryptobot, which are analyzed by the algorithm that's behind Maximus-Cryptobot. And as you know, Maximus-Cryptobot looks at support and resistance. It looks at Bollinger Bands. It also looks at Fibonacci retracement. So it combines the current market conditions and those indicators all together, and predicts the future direction of the trades for particular assets, you know. And then it simply provides us with these signals, and then we have a choice to either trade that signal or not to trade that signal. And this, guys, brings me to the topic of the, you know, to another topic, which are the really interesting feature which not many people know. You see, guys, it says here the economic calendar tab here on Maximus-Cryptobot. When you click on that, guys, you will see something like this. Okay, so most likely, guys, by default you will see nothing, because by default, let's just click this. by default it will look like this, okay, by default. So if you're new, if you have a new account and you just logged in, you might be wondering what's this, because there is nothing going on here, because by default this section will be blank. But guys, economic calendar should be switched off like this. If you click here, click on, so this, I'll click here, and then make sure, guys, make sure that you click on your time zone, guys. Obviously, you know, I'm just for the video purposes, I'll just choose any time zone. So make sure, guys, you click on this button right here. You see, and when you click on this button right here, you will be able to basically monitor. You will be able to monitor the fundamental news for today. For the day, guys. So let's click on all, because we want to see a whole picture. So and then here, guys, these are the stars, and these guys are the fundamental news for the day, okay? And this is really important section, and this is the same section, the same section, the same analysis we usually do before each trading session by going to investing.com, by clicking on news, and by clicking on economic calendar. This is the step 1, guys, that we do before each trading session, okay? And here, guys, we basically can see what are the news being released, you know, for today, for tomorrow, for this week, and for next week, and from yesterday. So we can analyze, analyze the fundamentals a little bit. But the most importantly, guys, what we are looking for here is we basically do not want to trade during 3 bull news. 3 bull news are the, you see there's going to be 3 bull news in 57 minutes, okay? This is the time when you don't want to trade. This is the time when markets will be highly unpredictable. This is the time when these news releases will break through the support, break through the resistance, you know, and also Bollinger Bands and all the other indicators you've been using before when you do your technical analysis can be thrown into the garbage, can be thrown out of the window, you know, because these news releases, guys, breaks through those indicators, you know, it breaks through everything, because what's driving the market? This is the driving the market. The news are driving the market. If the news are positive, currency goes up. If the news are negative, currency goes down. If there is a big fish or big whale speaking in a speech, regarding a currency, regarding country or regulations, and there is big picture out there. And even those speeches, impact the market like crazy. Okay, the market could go really steadily for a day, for a dollar, but then there is a news speech for about 20 minutes speech with where a big fish speaks, okay, a big whale, a big rich whale speaks, and it could just damage, the currency for that period of the time, which again at the same time brings value of gold up, and all this affects all the other currencies, commodities, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies. Oh, there is so much, there is so much. That's why, guys, these news releases are really important. So, guys, what I was going to say, that this economic calendar, guys, now can be also analyzed on the Maximus-Cryptobot platform, which is fantastic. So, but this, guys, looks really little bit different from, so the economic news calendar on Maximus-Cryptobot looks a little bit different from the economic calendar that's provided by investing.com. But when you take a look at it, guys, it's not that much. It's not that different. Perhaps this is actually a little bit better, So in Maximus-Cryptobot, you basically can switch on and off the particular news announcements for particular currencies. So for example, you can switch off AUD, Canadian, Chinese yen, Japanese yen, New Zealandese dollar. So all these can be switched off. Again, it depends on which assets you are trading with. So for example, you can switch off USD. Well, USD is not recommended to switch off. So it's not recommended to switch off USD, GBP, or Euro. Because for example, USD currency, if you switch off the USD currency news, that's really risky, because that you like it or not, USD currency can affect all the other currencies globally. Okay, USD currency is one of the, if not the most strongest currency in the world. You like it or not, but USD is too important. USD is too important, too strong to be basically forgotten when it comes to the fundamental news, because USD currency affects a lot of other currencies, and it affects gold, silver, and the metals as well. So USD. So in simple terms, USD, GBP, and Euro should be always switched on and should be always considered as a really huge driver when it comes to the fundamental news releases and when it comes to the current economic situation in the market, because those are the currencies that drives that, and also there is other crypto. But to be honest, guys, simply when you see the impact of the full star, that's the same as the impact for the as a 3-bull news. Okay, what is this? Okay, so looks like we are winning this signal, is it? Anyway, so this is not trading video. So make sure, guys, that you do not trade during 3-bull news, and 3-bull news would be the same as full star news. Okay, so these impacts a little bit they differentiate a little bit different than the 3-bull news when it comes to investing.com. But please, guys, just bear in mind that full star is the high impact news, and if you see full star for, let's say, USD, Euro, GBP, that is the time when we do not want to trade USD, Euro, and GBP currency pairs. Now, guys, when it comes to this one, you can also click here on positions, okay? And when you click on positions, you will basically see this area right here. For example, we have USD ZAR, we have USD ZAR trade, which is still running, guys. And as we can see, guys, we can simply click here on more, okay? And when you click here on more, you can see the actual free charting solution provided for you guys by TradingView. So in here, guys, we can analyze the markets. So here we can do technical analysis. And what I would advise you guys to do in order to avoid any losing trades, any losing signals, simply take a look at these charts, okay? So for example, which trade did we just place? We placed USD ZAR, okay? So let's just take a look at USD ZAR. And now let's take a look at the position that we just placed just now. Remember, we placed USD ZAR call position for $20, okay, $20. Let's just take a look. So I believe it has expired just now. So let's take a look at the 5 minutes, 3-minute chart, or no, let's take a 5-minute chart. So as we can see right here, okay, so we placed a trade around this area. Okay, let's just take a look at the actual expired positions for today. So the position was here, so USD ZAR, as we can see, the call position, so the strike rate was 13.48738 and the expiry rate was 13.50724. So this was just a trade that we placed, guys, before, at the beginning of the video, where we already generated $15.40 profit. So yeah, guys, so this was the winning position from my previous position. But the thing is this, guys, that when you trade these signals, it's always best to check the charts before. So let's just check the charts, okay? So why would the software placed and showed us call position? Why? Tell us these questions, guys. Why? But there is also a reason why. So at the moment we can't see much now, okay? Maybe it was a support or something. Let me see. So the price broke through. Okay, so this guy, this level was major support, which was broken. Which was broken, and then it found another support here. Let me see. So what happened here? So we invested in this candle, guys, right here. So and here we can see that there was another support. let me say, yeah, let's 5-minute charts. So this support was broken, but then it found another support in this area. So in this area right here, guys, another support. Because look at this spike here, and look at these candles right here. Look at these, this mother candle, which was forming bigger than child candle. You see this green candle. So this was a big indication that the price will move forward upwards from this point forward. From this point, this spike. So so this gives us indication that there was another support found, and the price went up. And now, guys, price is going back again. So if the price will hit this area again, then we will most likely see another USD ZAR trade for call position. So now then we can make another nice call position for the same currency pair, okay? So for example, let's take another one. So let's pick any one. So GBP CAD, for example, GBP CAD call trade, okay. GBP CAD, let's see, GBP CAD, call position. Sorry, my Gamelion is just running around like crazy. This is my Gamelion right here. I'm just gonna put him on a tree. So GBP CAD call trade. So that's 5-minute charts. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay. Okay, I can see we missed this trade by a little bit. Okay, so this was a support. Yeah, this was a support. We missed this call trade by slightly. Okay, slightly missed it, because when you take a look at it, okay, so this is our support. This is our support line at 1.76, 114. This is our support. The price went through our support, but it did not break our support. You know, because the new candle did not open below our support line. The candle broke through, as we can see, these candles, guys. I'm talking about these candles. This is our support from this area right here. So this is our support. The candles broke through the support line, but the new candle didn't, the new candle didn't open below our support line, which means that the support line wasn't actually broken, and the price is experiencing upward bullish movement right now. So yeah, so this would be a nice GBP CAD trade. GBP CAD trade. This would be a nice GBP CAD trade for sure, but the beautiful GBP CAD trade would be if we could catch the price in here. So now we can see that this is still good signal for call position for GBP CAD, but now by doing a little bit technical analysis, we understand that we are a little bit too late for this position. But this would be still good call position. As you can see, his price is still going up, but it's a little bit too late. The perfect call position would be at this area, 1.76, 100s, 115, 114, okay? But again, as you can see, the price goes the right direction. So yeah, guys, so I hope, guys, that this video, guys, kind of makes sense. And let me know, guys, if you want me to do more technical analysis videos, because I really like to do technical analysis, because I trade Forex on MetaTrader 4 platform on full-time basis, you know. So let me know, guys, if you're interested in technical analysis, because technical analysis combined with the fundamental analysis is really powerful tool, guys, which will lead you to really great trading success long term. But guys, remember that education and practice is the key. Education is the practice is a success key for everything, but especially when it comes to online trading, guys, you really need to start asking these questions. Why do we see these signals? Why do we see these currency signals? And why do we see these directions as color put for these currency pairs? Okay, and when you take a look at the charts, then you will see those answers for those questions, guys. And when you will start understanding these, these charts, even a little bit, even if you take a look at support and resistance lines, you will become you can become successful full-time online trader from your own home, guys, you know. And this is for life. These skills and this kind of education, guys, it's for life, you know. And then you can just basically earn money anywhere all around the world, you know. You can be from your home, you can be from the beach, you can be anywhere you want, you know. And you can have your family beside you on whenever you want them to be beside you, you know. And this is the best thing, you know, that could happen to anyone, you know. Just becoming an online trader from home full time. I think this is the best thing that could happen to anyone. Yeah, guys, anyway, so if you're interested in Maximus-Cryptobot, guys, signals are really accurate. Free registrations link is below the video. If you're interested, check it out. If you're not interested, it's fine. But still, guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please click on that subscribe button. Also, please share my videos to your friend, family, blood ones. Please share my videos to anybody who might be interested in becoming an online trader from home. Yes, guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you have any questions, any issues, please email me at binaryoptionsarmy@gmail.com. Please email me if you have any questions, any issues, or any problems. I will be here to help you guys. Thanks, guys. Also, please visit my website. I will also leave my link below the video. Thanks, guys, and see you again next time. Bye.